Some of most powerful law firms in the country warn U.S.-selected universities to destroy anti-Semitism on campus or schools, and students will face real results. For last few weeks, we were worried about attacks, anti-Jewish harassment, vandalism and university campuses, including rallies called for death Jews and elimination Israeli State.Activities will not be tolerated to any our companies, legal firms, most of your campus, as it occurs. Harassment actions and violence threats to participate external groups and universities in the future of recruitment future, he said. As employers who recruit from each of your law faculties, he wrote, we look at you, ensure that your students who hope to participate in our companies are ready be an active part of the workplace communities with zero tolerance policies after graduation. For any discrimination or harassment, some law faculties are much less than the species that occur on their campuses. The legal firms behind letter are among the most sought after dissent points for graduates of same legal schools: Cravath, Swaine Moore, Debevoise Plimpton, Meagher Flom, and Wachtell, Lipton, Rosen and Katz. Since the first publication of the letter has signed additional law firms, a full list is available here. According to the New York-based law firm, the letter campaign was ruled by Joe Shenker, senior president of Sullivan Cromwell. On Monday, the letter was sent to deans such as Yale, Harvard, Columbia, Virginia, Georgetown, of Pennsylvania, Cornell, Michigan, New York and Stanford. There is no room for any violence, hatred, bigotry in our anti-Semitism, Islamophobia, racism or campuses, workplaces, communities, the letter said. The effect is already felt for some students. There have already been real-world consequences. Last month, Ryna Workman, president of the NYU Student Bar Association, published a letter that Israel has given a full responsibility for this tremendous loss of life. Later, Workman said in a statement that his message, that it was insensitive to the pain of Israel during a crisis period and that they're no thing I aimed at. On Wednesday, in the letter of firms, they asked for a dialogue to understand how the law faculties or how urgently handle this serious situation in your faculties. The letter was sent on the same day. Some distinguished universities struggling with sky-high tensions on the Israeli-Hamas war launched new efforts to combat anti-Semitism. On Wednesday, Pennsylvania University President Liz Magill faced a reaction from donors who wanted to face a reaction. The school. This plan was designed after gathering national and local Jewish leaders, faculties, staff, students and graduates. This is an incredibly challenging moment in the world and we feel their echoes on our campus. Mag said. Magill wrote a letter to the Penn community on Wednesday. In statement Wednesday, Columbia University announced that it was a task force on anti-Semitism after number of